Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How does a mini-split work? In a mini-split system, you have individual indoor units located in each room or zone. Instead of pushing and pulling air to a central indoor unit, each room will handle its own cooling needs through an individual fan and evaporator unit.
Take our lead.
The answer is yes. Outfitted with high-efficiency components and advanced features, today's Mitsubishi ductless systems can meet the whole house heating and cooling demands of even the most efficiency-minded homes and projects.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Most ductless mini-split systems are installed by a professional because the refrigerant line must be cut and then charged. It is possible to install the air handler and condenser unit on your own and bring in a professional to complete the refrigerant line setup. They are the smallest, simplest systems to install.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to size your mini-split. Determine the square foot of the rooms. A professional will measure the length by the width and multiply them. To get the approximate BTU rating, the technician will multiply the square footage of the room by 25.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.